So with this example, we continue validating our syllogistic arguments here. Don't forget, a syllogistic argument is an argument that contains quantifiers. So our first premise here, all coursework accounts use social networking media. You can see it has a quantifier here. That's a universal quantifier, all. And we have our second premise here. Some social networking media operate on mobile devices. So this has another quantifier, some, that is an existential quantifier. And then, of course, we have our conclusion here. Therefore, some coursework accounts operate on mobile devices. So we have to go ahead and we have to represent this argument with these Euler circles, with these Euler diagrams, these circles. So I'm going to do the first premise here. Again, the first premise is made up of two entities, the coursework accounts and the social networking media. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a circle for the coursework accounts because all the coursework accounts have got to be inside the social networking media. So here is my coursework accounts. I'll just put down coursework. And then I'll put down social networking media. And of course, since all of this has to be inside there, that social networking media circle is going to go around the outside of this. So I'll say social media. And as we look at this graphic, this blue and red circle, it represents the first premise. All the coursework is inside the social media networking, the social networking media. Now the second premise, some social networking media operate on mobile devices, is going to go on top of the first premise. So I'm going to put in mobile devices. I have social networking media, but only some of the social networking media operate on mobile devices. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm just going to label this as mobile. Now you can see that this does not support the conclusion here. Therefore, some coursework accounts operate on mobile devices. Here's our coursework accounts. None of them are inside the mobile devices. So this diagram, these two premises does not support the conclusion here. However, I could also make my mobile devices circle look like this. Where this one, where we have, therefore, some coursework accounts operate on mobile devices, they do. Here it is right in here. So these two premises, when they're drawn this way, does support the conclusion. So which one is it? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Well, there's a conflict. And since there's a conflict, that means that this argument is invalid. And there you go.